Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noah. If you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the disgusting background and by the title of this video, wait, hold the fuck up. We're gonna be cleaning the room today. Yeah. I don't know how it gets this bad, but I feel like we constantly go out. And like we come home, and once we come home, it's time to knock. You know what I'm saying? Which is like a bad habit, but so we're gonna do a deep clean today. I didn't want to do this, but you know what? What is that? And it's even harder to do things when you have a dog. 2 puppies to be exact. I have so much to clean. I have to clean out my closet, y'all. Because guess what? I literally have no fucking room and I have no space. So I'm thinking maybe if I clean it, I'll have a little more room, a little more organization. But I doubt it. So we're gonna try. I have laundry to fold. I have clothes that are not dirty that I have to fold. And then I just have clothes in my closet that I'm either, if they don't fit, I'm gonna have to take out and throw them out or post them on my Depop. I have no idea what I'm gonna do yet. So without further ado, let's do some deep cleaning. Gross. I hate it here. Forgot to say, if you aren't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Chanel.Noel and on Twitter at Real Chanel Noel. Like this video before we even get into it. Let's go. Oh my god, y'all, that shit took way longer than it needed to. I'm just finna show y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. This took about 3 years of my life. I just decided to record it because, y'all, it's giving. Y'all have to do this with me sometimes. You know those friends that help you clean up so you could go out? Yeah, don't mind the hamper because why is there? We have too much fucking clothes, y'all. Like too motherfucking much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you're new here. But look at my bed. If you're new here, don't forget to leave without subscribing. Follow me on Instagram at Chanel.Noel and Twitter at Real Chanel Noel. I post all my updates on there so you guys could be a little closer to me than YouTube. Feel me? Thank y'all for watching. I love you. Shout out to my real ones. Y'all stay to the end.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back. No.